bit noisy in here today, but I hope everybody can hear me. But I just thought I'd give you a little insight into the week. And yes, exciting as ever in the Classic Heroes workshop with that gorgeous 20 valve Quattro, 16,000 miles from new. And it's in for a sort of age-related check over to ensure that all the parts on that car are sort of 30 years old are eliminated, rubber that's perished, etc, etc. But yeah, real pleasure having that in the workshop. 16,000 mile 20 valve Quattro. We've had this 3 litre CSL in this week for running faults. Very, very common because a lot of garages now, even the so-called specialist repairers, struggle to understand Bosch D-Jetronic, and so we've been beavering away on that this week and made huge progress, and we now have a 3 litre CSL, so the running faults are eliminated, and she's running like a dream actually. I carried out quite a long road test in her yesterday. Our E12 M535 is on that ramp over there, being prepared. It's going out this weekend with the lucky new owner. 3.2 Carrera, which has been in for some checkovers. Now it's going out for the summer. Central locking faults, which are now rectified. And just a PDI, which is a pre-delivery inspection, making sure it's ready for the owner to enjoy this for the rest of this summer. Dave is busy beavering away on this Alpina B3S, which, like all E46s, is suffering from corrosion, which we've got early enough to nip in the bud nicely. You can see we're just getting areas of surface corrosion back to bare metal. We have had to carry out some actual fabrication to the normal areas. Rear of the sills. Hope you can see that in there. It's a bit dark, but I hope you can get an idea of what's going on there. And the all 4 jacking points, which were suffering from pretty terrible corrosion, but we got it early enough actually to save this B3. It's going to be exceptional. The underside is being cleaned up, taken back to bare metal where necessary, put back into the original product. So yeah, she will live to fight for another 20 years. And as I said, got early enough to ensure that the integrity is saved. And yeah, it's just quite a fun week with some interesting stuff going out this weekend.